Make a great choice today with the 2019 Enclave. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, roof rails, daytime running lamps, traction control. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.